me as I digitally scrapbook my son's destination wedding album, part 2. Here we have page 2 of the album, and again, I'm starting with a template by the fabulous Katie Petite of Katie Petite Designs. She just has some incredible stuff that you don't really have to do a lot to, because it just is so nice. So just really helps me to jumpstart and dive right in. And here I'm adding all my photos into these cute Polaroid frames. These are photos from our second day of the trip. We got in the previous afternoon, and on this early afternoon we met up at Sapphire Beach, which is the beach where kind of most of the wedding festivities were planned. And everybody who had already arrived on the island was meeting up there to just hang out, relax, have a few drinks, dip our feet in the water. It was a gorgeous day, a little bit cloudy, but really fantastic. And even though I have tons of pictures of this day, I narrowed it down to kind of tell the story, and I think I'm going to do a page 2 with some of the activities we did on the beach. But here again, I'm adding some embellishments and some elements to kind of give depth to the page. You know, I really love digital scrapbooking, but I love for it to look like paper. So I'm mostly using a kit from Sweet Shop Designs for the papers and elements, but here it did not have a tag, and I really wanted a tag to be part of the title. So I found one from one of Katie's kits and added that to have the meet up at, and now I'm trying to find a font for Sapphire Beach. I kind of wanted it to tuck in under that main photo there, but still be able to be readable. So I think I found a solution to that. Here I am just kind of adjusting and messing with the spacing and the kerneling and the placement of the tag so that it's easy to read. And then on these cute little Polaroids, Katie created a text path to use for captions for each photo, so I loved that and added some details about the photos. And here's the mother of the bride and the mother of the groom. So that was a good shot of the day. I mean, it was such a great day. We were just so happy that the wedding, you know, our children were getting married and everybody was just in a great mood. So we really were excited and happy. Little did we know that some exciting stuff was going to happen, but you'll have to stay tuned for that. So here were the lovebirds, then the father of the groom and Ryan, and here's the bride with her mother, looking so cute. And of course, here's the handsome groom. I'm not biased or anything. And again, the happy couple, ready to start the wedding festivities. And then Grandma, seeing her second grandchild, she got a little sentimental. I mean, I was sentimental, but she just got overcome. So it was a very sweet moment. And then here are some of the bridal party that had already arrived in the island with their partners. And they were just in a great mood too. And then I decided I wanted the journaling at the bottom where there was a little bit more room. And so I switched those around and formatted that. And then I moved on to the journaling at the bottom of the page. And here I just gave details about the day. And as you can see, I kind of jump all around. I never noticed I do that so much, but I will start always with the photos because they kind of dictate what colors and what theme I want to use for for the papers and such, but I jumped from the page papers, photos, to the title, to the captions, to the journaling, and then I have to look at the layout again and decide if I want to add anything, if I feel it's complete. So here I thought the spacing between the lines of the text was a little too close, especially with the cursive font, so I did some adjustments to that. And I did decide that I wanted to use some more embellishments, and here's a cute little compass, putting some shadows on that to give it a more realistic look, adding some, I don't know what this was, coral maybe, I think it might be, and wanted to tuck that kind of between the photos, figure out where to place it, add some shadow to give it some more realistic look, and wanted part of the coral to come out in front of the other picture. And then moving the compass around because I wanted to add this little rope flower and a sand dollar in the corner. And I always add the date to my layouts somewhere. And here's the finish. I hope you enjoyed it. Please stay tuned for part